May nagtatagong strawberries. Okay guys, so magbunot muna tayo. Dito ko na lang ilalagay yung kanyang mga, meron akong mga nabunot dito na tinatamba ko lang yung, ayun oh, ito yung mga nabunot ko last time. Tinatamba ko lang dito kasi wala akong lagyan. So ngayon natin siya, sarap mag garden oh, mainit na malamig, hindi man mainit, yung tama lang. Another, ano to? Blackberries ba to? Blackberries. Ayan, meron na naman. Oh my goodness. Okay. Which is good. Guys, grapes. Oh my goodness. Ay, tatanim ko pa pala yung grapes. Hindi ko palang alam kung saan. Dito ko guys, itatanim ang grapes. Grapes, kuya. Tanim natin. So, dito ko lang itatanim ang grapes para meron siyang ganito, para maganda. May arch. Okay. So, next year, magbubunga na yun. So, magdukal tayo. Tanim natin yung grapes. Excited na ako, guys. Kuha lang ako ng pandukal kasi itong mga bata. Inaano ba? Hindi ko lang kung anong ginagawa na doon sa aking mga pandukal. Oh, si Ben, nag-i-scoop ng litter. You know what, Ben? You can put it here in the bag. I have bags here. That's for the litter box. Yan. You wanna do that?
Yeah, pour that in there.
Okay, ayan. Boom.
Above.
Dapat closer to you. Halika.
Sassy poops and the kittens litter box.
Oh, is that the kittens?
Yeah.
Well.
That's Sassy's. And the kitten poop in Sassy's litter box.
Oh, okay.
Because she poop in the kitten's litter box.
Good job, Ben. Oh. Eh, naku po. Naku po. Naku, anong ginagawa niyo dyan? Ano kayo? Ang cute. Ang cutie. Oh, yeah.
The old one.
Hey, cuties. Hey, cuties. Tickles. Is this Tickles? Tickles. And this is cheesecake. Tickles. Yeah. Tickles. Very calm yung orange. They're very nice cats, the orange ones. Yung dalawa super, ano eh.
You know why they use this litter box more?
Why? Oh, you're too close to.
Your
eyes-
is
your eyes
so
is-
cute.
Your face is too close. Where's Tickles?
But I do this.
I know, but she will bite you. Don't do
Hey,
that, don't. She might bite you, baby.
Huh? They're cute.
Don't put your face.
Aw. They're cute. Oh my, so cute. I'm cute.
You're already gonna bisita sa mga apong pusa. Ay, naku, baka nakalabas.
Beautiful.
Merong butiki.
Mama.
Yes,
Bookie.
butiki.
Bookie. Cute.
Oh, cute! Oh, cute!
Oh my.
Who is this? Who is this? Hackle?
Huckleberry.
Oh,
Aw.
cutie boy!
Orange face.
Ah! I didn't see them for 2 days.
Aww.
They get bigger in 2 days. Wow, look at the print, oh! Yes! Oh! Cute! Hindi sila lumalabas. Ay! Nakalabas yung isa!
Oh no!
Ala! Let's close the door. Ayan na
Ma.
nga. It's hard to ano.
Do you know
Come on,
the secret way how
Teka,
to
nakatakas yung isa. Nakatakas.
is to give him food.
Ready?
And then I distract him with the food and then I grab him.
Okay. It works. Whoa, get him in. Alright, guys.
I'm gonna get
So, okay. It's okay. Haha. Sana lang matibay to kasi pag hindi, paano na lang? Uy, ang laki ng shovel. Ben, that's too big.
why?
Anong why? Dito ka, Peram. Okay, thank you.
What's wrong with the shovel?
I know, I want a little. Where's our little shovel?
I'm gonna get one.
Sige, okay na to. Tanim na natin. Okay na to. Okay, Ben. Concord muna.
What's
Concord.
what's the flashlight in here?
Ano na, Kuya Puri?
I'll just put it here.
Charan! Okay ko lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung gaano, guys. Hindi ako I'm not an expert. I'm just, ha? I think okay na to. Yung lalim niya. I think it's deep. Yan. And then,
I'll hold it.
it's they put a lot of water. Alright, and then, okay, so hopefully, guys, umano siya. Sana umulan ulit para kaya lang kakatakot yung ulan, guys, kahapon. Kagabi parang yung may tornado warning na naman kami. Kagano medyo alisto tayo kasi baka ay buhawi. Wow, you're fast. Yes. Another one here. Okay, so I'm gonna dig. Okay, Ben. I think it's ready. Alright. Dito na lang sa may arch. Pour the soil. Ito yung ating agriculture lesson. Ito yung ating sining sa agrikultura. Parang nung elementary. Meron kaming guys, subject na agriculture. All of it. Good job. Yeah, that's the reward. Tapos ito, guys, di ba pinakita ko to? Bawasan natin tubig. Masyado siyang malulunod. Okay, so tatanim pa natin to, guys. Kamote. Show this in the trash, please, darling. Okay. Alright, so now let's bunot-bunot the weeds.
Cardboard so I may when the recycling because it's recycling.
May nagtatagong strawberries. Maputi pa, so abangan natin yan. Ayan. May nagtatagong strawberries. Ayan, strawberries natin nagtatago.